Want to learn how to make print and cut sticker sheets using the iColor 250 label printer? Then keep on watching. Hey y'all, Victoria Cherie here with Pretty Party and Crafty, and we're going to jump right into how you can create die cut sticker sheets using the Uninet iColor 250 label printer and cutter in one. So let's get started. First thing, I'm going to be using Canva and some elements that I found in Creative Fabrica. I like to use Creative Fabrica because you can find even more designs than you can in Canva, so you can add more things to make it more unique. I'll make sure I include the link to everything that I use in the description. All right, so let me head back over to Canva. Okay, so this is a home page. On the left side panel, you're going to click on Create. Since we're going to be using the iColor 250, we want to make sure that we change the width to 4.25. That's because when you're doing print and cut in one, the maximum width is 4.25. So I'm going to change the units to inches, and the width is going to be 4.25. My height, it can be anything that I want. 2, 3, 4, 8, 6, 12. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to actually use, let's use 5. I'm going to use 5. Okay, I'm going to click on Create New Design. I'm going to speed this part up, but on the left side panel, click on Elements and search for the graphics that you want to turn into stickers and rearrange them. Make sure that they have a transparent background. I'm also going to add outlines to each of them, and I'm going to add a rectangle with his name at the top. Now I'm going to select all the graphics at the bottom and group them together. I'm going to make it slightly bigger. I'm going to hit the 3 dots and click Download Selection. It's going to be a PNG, size is 1.625, and check transparent background. And then you're going to click on Download. Okay, then I'm going to do the same thing with the name. I'm going to group everything together, download as a PNG, size 1.625, transparent background. Now we're opening iColor Custom Cut. This is the software that comes with the printer. I'm going to click on New Project, and this is where we're going to select our page size. It's going to be 4.25 by 5, but if you go to page size, 5 isn't there, so I'm going to go to Custom Size and change the height to 5, and I'm going to name this and hit OK. Now there's 2 ways you can bring in the image. One, you can hit Import, but you're only allowed to bring in one at a time. Or you can have your folder open and drag all of your images, or drag the 2 because I downloaded 2 separately. I have the name and I have this. I'm going to click drag and hold and release it onto the screen. Okay, it came in at a perfect size. So I'm just going to bring this up and over to where I want it. I'm going to speed this part up. I'm just arranging the images where I want them to fit and kind of resizing it just a little bit. So I only want to cut the stickers right here. So I'm going to select the stickers. At the top, I'm going to select trace. All right, so here we are. So when I do this, my mode is monochrome. My contrast, I found that 180 is really good for me. Despeckle, is checked for smooth. I have it at an 89, detail 95, single line threshold 1, and I always have blackout checked so it doesn't get the inner cut. So I'm looking at it. Let me click show notes. Okay, nothing in the center is messed up. So it looks good to me. I'm going to go ahead and click on OK. At the top, I'm going to go to path and I'm going to select offset path. I zoomed in closer so you can see it a little bit better, but I want to make sure that inset is not checked, and I'm going to bring that offset up to 0.02. And I'm going to click on the drop down tab just so you can see it. So that black outline represents the offset because I want the images to have a white border around it. Then I'm going to hit OK, and now the red line, that represents the cut line. So right now I want to double check my cut mark. So I'm going to go to File, Preview. I'm going to click on or uncheck Show Printable, and I see I have some little stray cut marks in the center. So I'm going to turn this off, hit done. I want to click on the eraser tool, make it a little bit smaller, and I'm just going to go through and erase those inner cut marks that's inside of the main cut marks. So I have one on the cup and one on the reindeer. It's just erasing the cut marks. It looks good. I'm going to hit done, and now we're going to go to print. Before we print, I'm going to open up the print hub. I have this on my desktop, so I open it that way. And I want to go to label feed to show you that I have continuous selected, and it's going to cut after every label. I have that selected as well. So this is what's going to create the individual sticker sheets. Okay, I'm going to go File, Print. Now you want to make sure that print and cut that is selected in that drop down menu. You can change the number of copies. You can do 5 or you can do 3 or you can do 24. For this I'm doing 3 and I'm going to hit OK and it is going to be sent to my printer now. So this is the printer we're using, iColor 250 from Uninet. It prints and cuts in the same machine. So one sticker sheet, it took about a minute to print and cut. But again, keep in mind there's 10 stickers on one sheet and it prints and cuts in the same machine. And that's how easy it is to make sticker sheets using the iColor 250 label printer. It's a printer and cutter in one. I decided to add some finishing touches by rounding the corners. This would make for great bulk orders of sticker sheets for stocking stuffers or party favors. If you have any questions, let me know in the comments. Like and follow for more. Later, y'all.